Hello everyone. Today date is 17 May 2022. Today's topic is exception handling in Java. What is mean by exception? Exception means that unwanted situation to occur that is called as a exception. Exception example of exception to project to work in project of work into the programs in exception to the power of to work is a 90% is completed, 10% work is a remaining to the exception to the power of. This is the example of exception. What is mean by exception handling? Exception handling means that exception handling to the mechanism of a mechanism that handles the errors in programs. To that exception handling. In exception handling, there are IO exception, SQL exception, and class index, class format, class format exception. Advantage of exception handling to the normal flow of exception. That is Java code is a top to bottom executed in Java. There are two classes present in Java exception. First one is a exception, and second one is a error. That means exception means a compile time error, and error means runtime error. There are acronyms means that checked exception and unchecked exception. Checked exception means that compile time error to check that. When we create to code that executed to the compiling to code to that exception is occurred, means that SQL exception, IO exception, and class format in class no found exception. Means class not found means that the Java program to save that program's name is my programs, and found that the program is my program's names to some error occur to the monitor PC JVM. Next one is unchecked exception. Unchecked exception means that runtime error in JVM. That is in present is in present is arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, and third one is array index of exception. Means arithmetic exceptions mean that string is empty. To convert it into integer, that's occur to the arithmetic exception to occur. Second is a null pointer. Null pointer means that string is empty. To call that index of string is second to the occur to the null pointer string, null pointer exception. And third one is there are 5 classes. There are 5 exception keywords used that exception handling. Try, second one is a catch, third one is a final, fourth is a throw, and last one is a throws. That can be see it one by one. First one is a try block. Try block are used to the try keyword. Try block not used to the not used to the catch to alone with. And then second one is a catch block. Catch block is a catch block to along with the try block, and try block to executed that not executed to that catch block is executed. Third one is a finally block is executed to the executed to code or not that can be procedure finished in finally block. The last one is a throw. Throw keyword are used in throws. that can be try example of exception handling is that try block, catch block, and finally try block is in present two methods. One method is present. First method is executed, and second method is not executed. Two exception occur in second method. Two executed that second method executed to that catch block. Catch block are present in all code to executed, and that can be, and second method is catch block is second method is not executed to code to the executed pass to the third method is final keyword in present executed. That can be second method is catch block and try block to execute that finally in present. That can be completed process in finally in finally this exception. There are two methods to checking that sum occurs in runtime and compile time. There are exception in e dot get message that can be specific error in Java code, and to use that in e dot get message method. And second one is the print stack trace method are related to the space at the line by line to code in error present in a Java code. Thank you.